Hello there, I felt like showing you the workout routine that I did for my abdominals yesterday. So for this exercise you will be performing very heavy crunches on an inclined bench, and you will perform very short motions, so you will go up only a little bit, and most of the time your lower back will have contact with the bench. So don't go all the way up like this, because when you're using such a heavy weight you will not be able to do that many repetitions, and you will also not be able to get up without having lower back pain. After the weighted crunches I decided to do some side bends, and I used straps because I was using a lot more weight than I do normally. So normally I would use about 30 kilograms for the side bend, and this time I used 47.5 kilograms. And the way I do this is by picking up the dumbbell and just putting the strap around the handle of the dumbbell, and then I let the weight rest on my wrist. The next exercise is one on the pull-up bar, and I use the parallel bars, which are more convenient in my opinion, but you can also just use the straight part of the bar, and then you will pull yourself up just a little bit. Something like this, and hang in an L-sit position. Now what you will do next is raise your legs into a V-sit position and then push your legs towards the ceiling, and this is what it looked like. And go back to the L-sit position without going down all the way. As you can see, this is a very intense exercise, so definitely not for beginners. Enjoy the soreness, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.